Imagine looking up at a night sky where not a single star or galaxy is visible. If our Milky Way were placed at the heart of the Boötes Void, we would have believed we were entirely alone in the cosmos until the 1960s. Welcome to the Great Nothing, a terrifying expanse of absolute darkness. In 1981, astronomer Robert Kirshner stumbled upon a cosmic anomaly that defied all logic. While mapping the positions of galaxies, his team found a nearly spherical region of space, so empty it shouldn't exist. Measuring 330 million light-years across, this supervoid represents a massive, unexplained gap in the very fabric of our universe. To understand this scale, consider that our Milky Way is just a tiny speck. The Boötes Void is so massive it could hold billions of galaxies like ours. If you traveled at the speed of light, it would take you 300 million years just to cross this silent, dark, and frozen ocean of nothingness. Standard cosmic models suggest that a region this size should contain at least 2,000 galaxies. However, astronomers have only identified about 60 lonely galaxies inside this vast darkness. These rare void survivors sit millions of light-years away from any neighbors, drifting in a golden silence where the night sky is forever black. Scientific models for the growth of the universe struggle to explain how such an enormous empty region could form. According to the Big Bang Theory, matter should be fairly uniform. The Boötes Void is so massive that it challenges our current understanding of how gravity organized the early universe into the structures we see today. Cosmologists often compare the universe to a giant foam of soap bubbles. Galaxies live on the thin films of these bubbles, while the inside remains empty. The Boötes Void might be the result of several smaller bubbles, or voids merging together over billions of years, creating one colossal, terrifying supervoid that dwarfs everything nearby. One radical, speculative theory suggests the void is not natural but the work of an advanced civilization. A Kardashev Type 3 civilization could be expanding from the center, dimming entire galaxies by constructing massive Dyson spheres around every star to capture energy. From our perspective, it would simply look like thousands of disappearing lights. If the void is indeed an expanding alien empire, it offers a chilling answer to the Fermi paradox. Perhaps advanced civilizations don't just colonize planets, they consume entire galaxies. The silence we observe might be the result of a ruthlessly efficient harvester turning out the lights of the universe, leaving only an empty graveyard behind. Mainstream science offers a more grounded but equally fascinating explanation. The few galaxies inside the void probably formed from pure intergalactic gas that never joined a larger cluster. They are pristine, untouched laboratories of cosmic history, showing us what galaxies look like when they are born and raised in total, undisturbed isolation. The void isn't just empty, it's actively being emptied by its neighbors. Massive superclusters surrounding the Boötes Void act like giant gravitational magnets, pulling any nearby matter toward them. Over eons, this process has vacuumed the region, leaving behind a hollow shell of space where gravity has effectively lost the battle for cosmic structure. The galaxies found inside the void, like IZW81, are remarkably different from ours. Because they never collided with others, they maintain nearly perfect, undisturbed spiral shapes. They are true time capsules from the early universe, drifting in a profound silence, far from the chaotic gravitational dances that define the rest of the cosmos. The existence of the Boötes Void provides critical data for our dark matter theories. Since dark matter provides this scaffolding for galaxies, its absence in the void tells us a lot about its hidden distribution. Studying these empty spaces is just as important as studying the stars to understand the universe's mysterious, invisible mass. In billions of years, as the universe continues to expand, more regions may become like the Boötes Void. Gravity will pull galaxies into tight, isolated clusters, leaving massive gaps between them. The Boötes Void might be a preview of the far future, where every galaxy eventually becomes an island lost in an infinite ocean. Despite the terrifying theories of alien harvesters, the Boötes Void remains a place of profound scientific peace. It is the ultimate laboratory for understanding the fundamental laws of physics without the interference of nearby stars. It reminds us that in the vastness of space, the silence is often more telling than the bright light. While the mystery of its formation continues to spark intense debate, the Boötes Void stands as a testament to the sheer scale of the cosmos. It is a natural wonder that humbles our curiosity. Whether it's a cosmic accident or a hidden empire, it remains the most mysterious nothing ever discovered by modern humanity. Tonight, as you look at the night sky, remember that the darkness is just as important as the stars. If you found this journey into the great nothing fascinating, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to World of Mysteries. Share your theories below. Is it natural or something more? Stay curious.